Good morning, everyone. Today is day 2 of Vlogmas, and we just woke up. And I put cocoa for the girls. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up.
Mommy, really cute. Hello.
I'm making the girls some oatmeal right now with just a little bit of brown sugar and shredded coconut, and I'm gonna cube an apple. I'm not gonna have oatmeal this morning because Enrique's at the store buying some pan, so that's what I'm gonna have with coffee. Currently watching SSS Sniper Wolf. Super rainy day today in Maryland, but I have to go buy food, so Enrique is just gonna stay with the girls and I'm gonna go shopping. So I'm gonna start putting these groceries and start cleaning also. I'm done washing the dishes and I found this soap at the grocery store and it smells so good. Ellie's taking her second nap of the day right now. We're doing laundry right now. It was raining a little bit, so Enrique's just in the van with Ellie and I'm just over here with Alma. Now I gotta fix all this. Ellie!
Look at me vlogging. Look at me vlogging. Hi, Mommy.
They look the toys. There's the toys. That's it for today, guys. We're just gonna go ahead and go to sleep after watching Home Alone. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Press the notification bell button, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog.